Today is May 3rd, 2025. It's about 9:45 in the morning. I'm at the Klamathon Bridge. I just checked the iron gauge, and this morning, right now, it's about 3,810. The iron gauge is about 5 miles upriver from here. Thought I'd come and check and see what everything's looking like. I haven't been able to make it up here in a while. You can still see that there's some sand up in this direction, but you can see that these rocks have washed out the sediment that was here. Clarity is actually not too bad. I haven't been able to see in the water like this for a while, which it's been a wetter winter. We had rain last weekend, and we actually had rain last night as well. So it's nice to see some of that is flushing out. You can still see though that there is some sediment deposit still here. Still see that there is still sediment within the rock though. And it's more of that chocolatey color that we continue to see. So like I said before, I think that the Klamath River is always going to have this color to it now. I think it's going to be the new color. It's not going to be as clear looking as it once was. Kind of start getting to this area and it's a little more murky. You can still see the bottom, but you can definitely tell it's murky. Can't see out as far as you used to before they removed the dams, but in certain areas there is definitely more sediment than there used to be. So I'll kind of be curious to see if some of this excess washes out or if it's just going to be here. I was kind of hoping today was going to be a nicer day. I thought the clouds were supposed to roll out about noon or so, 10 to noon, but it looks like it's going to be cloudy all day. Wind's coming up, so you might be able to hear it in my speakers or on my mic. It's supposed to be colder today. We've been in the 70s. It's been kind of nice this week. We actually had a thunderstorm roll through last night, which is kind of early in the season. But we've had a wetter winter than we've had in a while. Wetter, warmer winter. Lots of moisture, which is a good thing for our area. Last I could see the mountains, they still had some snow on them. It's been kind of cloudy yesterday and today. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to go up on top of the bridge. Actually, before I go on top of the bridge, I actually brought some of my gloves with me today, just to kind of see how deep that this is. So right there is kind of where you hit the rock where it used to be. So right there is the rock. It's probably maybe about an inch or two. This is kind of what it's looking like. Real sandy, not clay like it used to be. Right there's a little bit deeper. So you can see all the sand that is now accumulated here from what it used to be. I'll come over here where the water's washing through. It's kind of about the same, half an inch to an inch. What it looks like right here. Ooh, this is deeper. Probably about an inch right there. So it's accumulating here. Looks like there's some moss. Some of that's a different consistency. Yes, there is moss here, but this is like, feels a little more clayey. Some of that's hard. You can see as I disturb it, it becomes that brown color. It's pretty hard until you disturb it. Same right here. That's just hard. You disturb it. So it gives you an idea what's here. That stuff is pretty hard. So that's also what's lining the bottom of the Klamath River. Oh, that's pretty hard. But you can see as soon as I disturb it, it washes away. So, that's what's now lining the bottom of the Klamath River. It's pretty hard until you disturb it. Anyways, I am now gonna go up on top of the bridge. I'm on top of the bridge. So I'm gonna flip over the, oh, car coming. So I'll wait to go to the other side. So you can see over our winter months, the logs, sticks that are there, whatever you want to call them. Those are what's floated down during our high water events. I can see at least 2 or 3 of them down there. During our high water flows. Those were placed somewhere in the restoration project. One more car coming and then I'll go over to the other side. Oh, one more, sorry, gotta wait. Oh, it's a busy day today. Okay, now it's safe. This would be what it's looking like upstream. That would be the beach area where I was just at. You can see where I was digging down there. There's the other spot I was digging. See if I can zoom in clarity. It's kind of hard to see today because it is a cloud-covered day. It's a little bit of a cool wind today. I know it's supposed to be a cooler day. I think we're only supposed to be in the 50s. And then midweek we're supposed to warm up again, and then I think we're supposed to hit 80s. And possibly be in the 80s next weekend. Kind of got a little bit of a peek of the mountains. You can see there's still a little bit of snow. All right, so that's what it's looking like from here. I'm gonna head on up.